And this is the start of Maya modeling, just the base mesh to bring into Mudbox, and we're going to be using the modeling toolkit because this is a little bit faster than the previous methods. So just have a sit back, relax, and yeah, you can just see how I go about things. It's a lot faster doing things this way. Once you've mastered, I guess, the just doing edge loops and extrudes and that sort of thing, I highly recommend getting onto using the modeling toolkit because it's I guess it's the intermediate stage, and it's a lot. It can shave a lot of time off. I've just subdivided the mesh here, and just going to select a few faces. And it's just a case of just trying to create some shape and some form that can be refined later on. Remembering shape is the silhouette that you see from a far distance, and form is the 3D representation, which can catch shadows and whatnot, and can really make it out. Kept this model fairly basic in comparison to the last ones. Just wanting to make sure that there's enough to go on when we bring it into Mudbox, that we don't have any dramas. Cool little feature is the multi-cut. If you have all the faces selected, you can just add in multiple edge loops really simply. It's a very handy tool to master. Really no different to before, just training wheels are off, so you can kind of be a bit more free form, a little bit more dynamic in your workflow like this. Notice as I'm spinning around, I'm just trying to figure out what the shape's going to look like in the end. Just when I have something that appears to be a little bit more rock-like, a little less like a cube. So just trying to have some jaggedy bits and start to make some channels that I can refine a little bit later on and define, I guess, as well. See how it looks there, and just tightening that up a little bit. Since we got some new techniques and tools here, I just thought I'd run this at real speed, and yeah, look, it's only going to be a short one. I think it's going to be around about 6 minutes or so. All these techniques should be rather familiar to you, just selecting faces and using the translate, push, pull, scale and rotate. Should be fairly comfortable with this, I'd imagine, by now. This is all covered in previous two-part rock tutorial, by the way, but since we're doing it afresh, I thought I'd just do a quick series of workflow just to help speed it up, simplify it as much as possible. You can see there I've got a channel starting to form just off center. Got a few jaggedy bits which I can kind of sculpt reasonably easily in Mudbox now, and coming up to 6 minutes, and yeah, I've got a reasonably good base mesh that I can start to transform into a premium model.